Straight down the farm, you know. Mm. Where I go? Bombay, what kind of length that they was 1 year ago?
Come boy, come.
Why could I look familiar though? Yeah. Big ears one. See it there? Man, the farm with the cow them. Big black one that looks like him a star. I realize that jar with jar him out. Yeah? You want it? Oh, them stand at attention. So them stand at attention.
Grass and you, man. Come here, so come papi grass fire. Pull up grass and you, man. Pull up more to the try pull up one hole, man. Just pull up the and check them for them around. I never go a little. I will definitely wake up on them like this. I want to take bull already. I want to take bull already.
I like the cat and I'm back now. I pay flesh that is an hour.
Yeah, man, a fat in here.
In store up.
And let me so fat. I mean, they're fat. Let me tell you, yeah. Fat. Fat is something I had.
Pata Island.
Yeah, man.
Sabi Island ito. Kajang ada 4 basi.
Yeah, yes. Yeah, man, we're up on the farm. Simple. And we are watching how them are going to eat.
Watching, catching my smelly donkey.
Yeah,
Catch my smell donkey. Quick.
I catch him long time.
Jump donkey.
Oh,
Bull. Ingiti.
yeah, and shout out to ladies and gentlemen, I flash out you know, cause you see, me up on the farm so long, couple days, yes. Bless up to all my friends and family. Yes, Fire Key, Owie, and give thanks and praise for showing me around on the farm. Yes, more life, more joy, more happiness. I am here in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Yeah, that's it. Remember, it's the Crocus Frog Farmer. Yeah, remember to like, share, subscribe. Yeah, tell everybody say the Rastaman is in the place. Yes, bless up on yourselves. No disgrace.